Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, start.
Ayo, naik pernah step.
Entah, look deh. Cook.
Kok man.
Mana yung popcorn dyan?
Hmm?
Mana yung popcorn?
Unsa na?
Popcorn?
Popcorn, oh. Fabric conditioner. Downy. Magduham ng gunting dahil para ito asa. Try blow. Energy? Try. Gunting mo.
Bakit ayun ka? Lisod ka siya.
Service glass. Hello.
Wala na ice. Wala na. Nahukdan.
Amoy surtilis po siya.
Lalong. Green.
Amoy ilan.
Hmm?
Amoy dagong siya.
Dagom. Dagom.
Kila o sa siya.
Iso. No. Gunting nga. Gunting nga bangga.
Namyon Yunin Kamsamida for the sari-sari. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sari-sari.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I am here at Faith's house, and I have here their roof already been fixed by Alona's father there. So he already fixed it. So let's take a look at inside. So that roof is already a new roof. So we're gonna take a look inside. Faith, wala kay school? Wala. Introduce yourself, sabi.
Annyeonghaseyo. Chonon Wedosal. Sadahakyo iyon yan. Faith Inida.
Faith Inida. Okay. So Faith, ang imong roof, ay, I have the mother of Faith. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so here is the roof. So supposedly this part of roof was already damaged, so it was been removed by the wind during typhoon. So there, so this roof until this part of the roof was changed to a new one. So this is 4 roofs, I believe so. There. So wala na ito, dili no. Dili na magtuon yung cans. So new roof, so there is no leak anymore. So there you go. So this is their kitchen. Dagan lagi mo bugas lagi. Okay, so that is Faith's kitchen. Asa man to Faith eh? Doon ka dito mama nim ko. Yeah, Faith. Isa may ga-sponsored for your roof repair.
May buntag nun.
Okay, so kamsamnida ka may buntag ni.
May buntag nun. Kamsamida.
Kamsamnida mayong buntag ni. Yeah, study well ha, be a good girl always ha. Kamsamnida. Annyeonghaseyo, Alona.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So I'm here at Alona's house, and I will be checking your roof if it was already been fixed. Okay, so this part. So this is the inside. The last time that I video it is at the outside. So this is the inside. So this is at Alona's room, their room, wherein there is a leak whenever it rains. So that roof is new ones compared to this roof. This is old roof, but it's still good. So this is 4 roofs until to the part of here, until this part. So this is the part where it leaks whenever it gets rain. There. Till there. So this is 4 roofs as well. So Alona, your roof has been murag kuan ta diri ka kay murag ka against the light. Okay, your roof is already been fixed, no? So wala na ito, so you can sleep well na. There is no leak whenever it gets rain, right? So kanang who sponsored it?
Mayong buntag Maayong buntag ning kamsamida.
Kamsahamnida, maayong buntag name for helping out Alona in repairing their roofs. They're until to the room. There you go. Kamsahamnida. Okay, so right now I'm here at Agnes' house and they are trying to fix the wall there. So I think we needed to go inside because I cannot see it much. Masod ko ha? Okay, so there you go. Ay, madlo kung kapit-kapisad. Basta ninyo kuan ba? Matanggal na po ang kuan.
Ako hindi nag-igunan.
So, pila ni ka plywood gani lang?
Tulo.
Tulo. So, 3 plywoods to cover the side part of their house. There. And that is the father of Agnes helping. There. And I have here the father of Alona. Good. So, this will be finished today.
Last na kung paano din.
Mana ni ang last house na will be repaired. Okay, ali dire Agnes. Di atak ito. May. Okay. So Agnes. So that part of your house was been damaged by the typhoon, right? So it no longer have any wall. So it was already been fixed by Alona's father and your father. So kisa yung napayo na.
Kamsamida.
Kamsahamnida, maayong buntag name for Agnes repair, house repair. Salamat ya, salamat alang.
Ato.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I am here at Alma's house, but Alma is not around. Asa imo mama?
Abot ko asa to siya. Ay,
So-
iinom na siya kabos ay tubig. Muligo sa abit mo dito.
So wala imo mama diri.
Ah.
So Alma is not around because she's fetching water. That is what the Realin's saying. So by the way, so Realin, ayun na yung atop no. So it was already fixed there. So that is the roof. That is 4 roofs until there. There. So it was already been fixed by Alona's father. There. So wala na ito, inikawan.
Wala na.
So no leak every time it rains. Okay nya. Kisa may paminaw nimo nagpaayo sa inyong balay. Hebalo ka?
To.
Sige sa man.
Kuya ano.
Kisa may nag-sponsored ba paayo sa imong balay? Sa imong atop si Maayong Buntag Nim.
Buntag ni.
Sige, kamsamnida sa Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag ni kasamida.
Kamsamnida, Maayong Buntag Nim for Alma's house or roof repair. There you go. So, wala ito, no? Ikaw, ano? Goods na kayo.
Naglipyo mo sa mama kaya rin naman yung tulog.
May noon. Sige, bye-bye. Okay. So, I need to go back. This is their stairs. It's very scary. And the ocean is almost there, so I don't think if I can still go back. But, we're gonna needed to go back. The ocean. Bye-bye! Ato na ko! Annyeonghaseyo. This is Teacher Chen. So, here's the list of the students. Faith student, Agnes volunteer, Althea student, Alona student, and Alma neighbor. So these are the house that we fixed. So for Faith, we bought, they received 4 roof. Agnes, this is not roof, this is for Agnes. Plywood. And for plywoods, Althea, 5 pieces of what you call this, roof. Alona 4 pieces roof, and Alma 4 pieces roof. So all of this, a total of, there you go. So this, all of this totaled 685, and the other receipt is 1,005. So 6,865 plus 1,005 is equals to 7,870. So if we were gonna deduct the 8,000, so the remaining is 130, and the 130 remaining was being used for transportation to buy these materials, and also water for Alona's father who's fixing the roofs. So maayong buntag ni kamsamnida for helping out Faith, Agnes, Althea, Alona, and Alma in repairing their roof because their roof has been damaged by the typhoon. Maayong buntag ni from Sakdos, kamsamnida.